sir. We have a hurricane approaching to the Bahamas. We're getting critical alarms.
Okay, but those critical alerts are a positive input into the network?
Yes.
Okay, let me call the tech.
We are the Technical Assistance Center, one of the centers that we are spreading the world by Huawei, focusing the stability of the network to all Latin American customers. We get more than 200 employees right now, experts in 5 different product lines. So this is the center that we follow Model 24/7 to cover all the days during the year the support to our customers. From the south until the north, we have different scenarios that always facing us a constant challenge.
Centro de Asistencia Técnica de Huawei, mi nombre es Mariana, ¿con quién tengo el gusto?
It's not easy. We have a role that we need to cover problems, we need to restore services. So in the other side of the phone, we have a person that is desperate. The idea is we must understand how that the other people feels. There is a very important role that we are thinking how to make better and better every day. In the process that we follow every day, the first step is when call center receive this information, start to make an analysis with the local team. We monitoring in parallel what is happening. They start to get more information of the network. The second level, if the level 1 cannot solve it in a shorter time, go to the PSCs. And they provide the analysis together with the L1.
According to KPIs, we have the 95% recover, so the customer is starting to check in. We can move to the center part.
In this solution developed, we can define if it's necessary to make a spare part based on the level 3.
Keep tracking on the situation.
For example, if we check that it's a hardware problem, okay, what is the part that you need? We provide to our final customers the resolution confirmation with them. Now with the huge demanding of data, when we know these disasters comes, Mexico can go a step forward. We don't wait until the customer is on call to us to notice that we have a problem. We know in advance. Latin American people, we are very happy. We are people passionate to support others.
Signal is really good.
And now with Latin American customers, knows that has some brothers that worry for you. To Mexico that has this passionate to support all the customers in Latin American country.